This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, good evening. Sound check, please. Engineer. Perfect, it's good enough. Third stream for the day. Morning stream, trading. Afternoon stream, podcast. We did a review of an in-depth review, deep dive into Apex. That was fun. I had fun doing it. And tonight, sponsored by Taurus Arena. We are on with day 4, day 5. So it is Thursday night, right? It's Friday Eve, as Omnius would say. Today is the giveaway. We don't have a lot of qualifiers. So let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we get some people in, we'll run another qualifier today. If you want to play in the qualifier to get into the finals for the giveaway, just type in woodchip trades. I'm in payout. Play the woodchip graphic. The woodchip graphic. I think the woodchip graphic is gone, booby. Boom, 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 boom. I could not have lost all my graphics. Could I have? Would I have? Would I have been that stupid? I had a big mess, and I think I deleted a whole bunch of things, but hold on. Hold on, woodchip. In the meantime, type in. Okay, I see Joker. That means we got to have a woodchip. Omni-Man. Coffee break. Separators. Where would woodchip have gone? I'm making a mess of my thing, just looking for you. I hope there's not going to be any nudity. No, I think they're all gone. I swear to God. That would be depressing. I would have to redo them all. See what happens when you don't show up? What do I got left? I got the POW. I got Skelly. That's it, I think. No, I saw Mike Stunt somewhere also. I got the push. Wow, did I really do that? You know what? A lot of things have been screwing up. Anyways, it's okay. Don't worry. Hey, Trash Rat. Trash Rat, are you in the qualifier today? Not the qualifier. Sorry, the final. I'm still going to run qualifiers because we don't have a lot of qualifiers. Yeah, Trash Rat, you're in. Hey, yeah, you qualified yesterday with Butters and oh no, Tuesday. Yesterday, no one qualified. No one showed up. It was absolutely friggin' dead. Oh, yesterday was Wednesday. Control copy. Control V. Yeah, Wednesday was dead. Nobody. I thought that's why I was getting confused. So, woodchip trades. Trash Rat, we can have another qualifier. Type in exclamation mark game. Jiggity. What was the guy? Giggity? Jiggity? Yeah, jiggity. What do we have? We had Madman Antonio and Antonio show up today. There we go. Woodchip. We need qualifiers. Let's go, Trash Rat. Come on, Chris. Type it in. Ah, game. Yeah, you can't do exclamation mark game. There you get that message. That Nightbot message. Oh, it's true. I didn't even I gotta fix my Nightbot messagery. Someone says there was a message that shouldn't have been there or was incorrect as far as the days go or something. Timers, let me see. Deal me in, that's fine. Yeah. We can turn that off. Okay, that's it. Good enough. Now I can hear you. Oh, I was saying, type in exclamation mark giveaway. And we'll maybe get a game going. Not maybe, we will get a game. Today it's sponsored by Taurus Arena. If you were the winner of the account, you go to Taurus Arena. Just create an account, log in. You have to go on to Discord. Trash Rat, I think you went into the Discord already. Just give me your email address so I can, the email address that you used to sign up. Giveaway works. I like Jiggity. I think I'm going to change it to Jiggity. And Madman Antonio was saying Jiggity. I like that better. Okay, so what do we got here? Futures and Omnius. We run interference. No, Omnius can play at night. It's true. We got what chip? Wow, that would be pretty damn sad. I mean, I just have to recreate them. I have all the graphics saved, of course, obviously, but I can't believe, all that hard work and the timing of everything, and it's all gone. Trash Rat. That's a unique name. Can I ask how you came up with it? Save. I like small pegs. We're going to run a game. What am I seeing on the, okay, yeah, it's big. Let me make it smaller. Just notify people this is a qualifier. Hey, 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 hey. They're not supposed to be that size. What's a good ball size? Yeah, well, you want to see the balls, right? But we don't want them to be balloons. Let's go to 22. Apply settings. Okay, let's see what this looks like. This is obviously a warm-up game, as we see it right there. Whoa, those are big balls. I don't even think you guys can fit between the pegs. That's too big. That's too big. That's going to knock out the bricks. It only knocks out one brick. Okay. Anyways. Let's try this size. Okay, that looks like a good size. There's going to be some good speed there. Okay, I like those settings. Very good. I don't know how long I'm going to stick around for. Maybe 9:30. What's a good time to run the final game? What chip? How long you sticking around for? That was very quick. Anyways, you know what I think I'll do? I'm going to create a little winner's room inside the Discord, and I'll notify, or I'll post who the winners are, and then it'll be up to the winners to contact me. I guess that's the best way to do it, right? Seems good. Let's see if we can get a trade. What's the ATR? 13. Look at that. An incredible ATR of 13 points. Average range, 13 points. Let's run my bot in the meantime. It did good today, the bot. I think it was up $300 or $400 on a one lot. Believe it or not. Oh, wood chip, you were talking about 24,100. Yeah, we hit the 24,100, eh? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. Wow, what a bloodbath, eh? 25,300 to 24,000, almost. No, not almost 10%. 10% would be 2,530. That was about 1,000. I had a phone call. Oh, I was just saying, how long are you sticking around for? So I'll run the qualifiers and run the final match based on what time you and Trash Red are sticking around. You guys are first movers inside the room today. Wow, we just broke through that kind of support zone without even thinking about it, eh? And I was looking at the daily, maybe an hour or a bit more. Okay, I was looking at the daily and saying, hey, we got back over the 50. But no, not only did we not hold it, we got back below the 50. This is on the daily, and then closed below the 100. So what's next? What's next? The 200 at 23,442. We have those. We have quite a bit of support right there also. So mark that off. Blue is no good. Orange or whatever color that is. Goldenrod. Let's make it, let's give it some kind of bluish color. Good enough. How many points away is that? That's only another 1,000 points away. It's like one more day, like today. We'll hit that area. Okay, let's take a look and see what we're doing. We're just trading higher. Oof. How do you know which? Levels we want to take out? There are so many levels. You got the little internal swing highs here, and you got a little bit of a zone up there, and you got maybe a liquidity zone up there. What are the obvious ones? Again, let's look at the 30-minute chart. I guess we'll just have to work with the obvious ones. The obvious ones are 24,400, still far away as a target. 24,400, somewhere up there in this zone. So, if I had been here before, long, short, just looking at what the bias is. Long, I'm not saying I would have gone long, I'm just looking at the bias, guys. Long, still long, still long. Okay, the bias is long right now. Wow, those balls are still way too big. We keep the names big, but we don't need the balls that big. You know, there are minimums, eh? I think. No, there aren't minimums. Okay, I thought there was minimums. Those are cute little balls. You don't even see them. You just see your names floating around. Wow, how does that work with a bunch of Okay, stop playing with your balls, Mike. Let's make it 11. I think 11 is a good size. Let's see. Nah. Not enough pegs for 11. Looks like 12 it is. Yep, we're going to go with 12. It's getting quiet. I noticed new wrinkle bars aren't being printed out. And we just fell from 20 point, even higher, 20 point average range. Where were we in the beginning? 24 points. Now we're down to 9 already. This line is still too big. I hate the way NinjaTrader draws the charts on a new day. Brings all the lines in straight. You can never see the second bar. Would have been a short over there, though. And then we just traded higher from there. How many points would that have been if you traded the 2-minute opening range? 61 down to 18. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Big ranges. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Taking it on sim. This is a decent short here. F5, F8. And what makes it even better is if I can get in at the 50% retrace, which would be right there. Let's put another sell limit for 5, but that trade is so good because that one has 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1 potential. We'll make it double the size. Why is that trade good? Well, we swept the 1, 2, 3 recent swing highs, but we closed back inside the range. And we got another candle to take out the previous candle. I would say the main overall trend is bearish. We pulled back, still kind of trading in a bit of a I don't know what word to use. Let's call it discount. Traded lower. We didn't get a great entry over there as far as that goes. But nonetheless, let's mark out our levels. We got in our short at 188. Our stop is 94. And let's see what we get. Let's see if I get an opportunity to peel some off. So we took a 10 lot up at 88. Let's put 79 if I can here. 79 for a 5 lot. That's 10 points on a 5 lot. Ah, you were right there, you bugger. Go back down. What did I say we got to do? I think I said today the targets have to be based on the ATR. That would make sense. Also. In general, I got a bearish bias over here, even though we're trading higher. I think the medium short term bias is short. Maybe the ultra short term bias is long. I mean, not maybe, obviously, since if we just look at this since 610. But I'm comfortable with this trade. Oh, I didn't check if the sounds are playing. Hey, the sounds aren't playing, really? Okay, we got taken out at 79. Let's take another piece out at, this is 3-1 on the other piece over here at a 5 lot buy limit. That's 18 points, and we were risking 89 to like, I don't know, maybe 94, 95, so 6 points. So 18 point TP with a 6 point risk. That's a nice 3-1 trade. Ah, my speakers are on. There we go. It's not picking up the audio. It's so stubborn, this program, I gotta tell you. It's about to blow higher. Potentially. I mean, I don't need it to go down 700 points to have this turn into a decent trade. And if it does go higher, actually, yeah, I could see us going, no, that's not a bearish candle. If that was a bearish candle, I was going to say I could see me thinking to reverse, but I won't be thinking to reverse on this trade. I'll just be thinking to stop out. And then we'll do some bean counting. Let's see, let's give it, it's an 8-point range, 94. Well, we got 200 right there, eh? Whatever. 9, 10, buy the bid. There we go, takes me out. Okay, so that was a 15 lot, and the damage is $45. And if we would have won, it would have been probably over 200. Let me redo the game because it's not working. Window capture. Game. You're missing all the beautiful sounds. 7:30. Well, we're going to run a qualifier at 7:30 and at 8. So 7:30, we run a qualifier. We got 2 people. 2 people in the qualifier. Let's capture audio. Okay. It is what it is. So let's get rid of the other troublemakers that run interference. We're just going to keep futures and Omnius. Omnius, hey, didn't show up, Omnius. There we go. Bring it down. And lower this. Save and apply. Advanced game. Output. Close. Lock. Okay. Well, trash rent. I hope you're there. One of you will win a qualifier into the, you know what, I'm going to do it at 8:30, the final for the account. So let's go. Hopefully my settings are all right. If they're not, we'll figure it out. Yeah, we got 4. There you go. This is not a warm-up game. This is for entry into the 8:30. The accounts by Taurus Arena. You can see their accounts over there. The Prime, 25K, $18.50 a month. 50K is $24 a month. I think that's 90% off. You can see that on their website, taurusarena.com. What chip? Oh, I thought you were going to go right into the stop out pit. But I'm playing it too slow. Oh, what happens if Futures or Omnius wins? That's another one. We just rerun the game, and we're running it at a slow speed here. I was supposed to pick up the speed. So what did it do? It just stopped me out and came right back down. That happens, right? It's part of everybody's playbook. Stopped out Futures. That leaves Trash Rat, Omnius, and Wood Chip. We'll do one at 7:30. We'll do one at 8. Wow. That's fun. I want to be Wood Chip today. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if you saw my answer. My day wasn't bad, but you made a nice call for the 24,100 area. Oh, Wood Chip knocks Trash Rat. Omnius, we run it again. Let's pick up the speed, though. Time scale, let's go to 4. Double the speed. Yeah, how did I do today? Do I even remember? I think I made $200. Oh, I do remember. I made 200 or 300 in my PA with wealth charts, Apex wealth charts. So let's say 250. I lost 250 on Top Step, so that's kind of break even ish. And then I have 2 PAs with Apex right now. One of them was up 850. I stopped because of the consistency rule, and the other one was down 560. So I think I was up $300 for the day. Those PA accounts, I'm playing with fire, eh? They're in payout territory. Well, actually, they were. It was at 23,000. Wait a minute. It was at 23,400. Hold on. Let's just see who wins here. I think I remember being at 23,400. If I lost 600, I should be at, sorry, I don't even know what I said. 53,000. Winner, Futures, 53,400, I remember, which should put me at 52.8. And we are at, 52,798. Okay. Yeah, I'm letting it go. I want to see how far I can push it. My wealth charts also is in a great spot. My other one is at 52,158. As I said in the podcast today, I've never had a problem with Apex. You know, you respect the rules, they pay you. I don't do any nonsense. I always trade it like it's a real account. Yeah, I make mistakes. I lose, I lose my shit sometimes, and I get undisciplined. But as I said also in the podcast, those accounts are blown, so we're just trading sideways. We don't have a qualifier yet for tonight's giveaway. We need a qualifier. We'll run it a third time. By the time we finish running it, we're going to have to run it again for 8 o'clock. Futures is playing around near the stop out pit. He got away. Omnius knocks a few of those resistance blocks. Wood chip stopped out. Okay, wood chip, you ain't making it here. It's only trash rat if you can get over to the right side. Poking a few holes. What else can I tell you about Taurus Arenas, who's sponsoring the giveaway today? It is $119 activation fee. Ran through all their rules. There was really nothing that bothered me. Omnia stopped out. That really bothered me too much. You know, from the, hold on a minute. That's them. Wait a minute, Al. Wait a minute. Let me call you back in just like a minute or something. Deal me in. Deal me in is not open. Trash rat, you are all the way on the right side. Deal me in should be open. I really have to get Deal me in version 2 working. So much more fun when you guys can pick your own tile. I was working on all those things. Okay, let me call back. Give me a second. We'll keep running the Deal me in should be good. We'll keep running it till either Trash Rat or Wood Chip wins. And there we go, just like Wood Chip said. Okay, I'm not naked. Wood Chip stopped out again. What happened? Oh, we have a nice, we have a short entry again. We're going to attempt, we're going to go in again like we did last time for a 5 lot. And we are going to add, if it retraces by 50%. Trash Rat's trying to break through. My mic even on? Yeah, it is. Very good. Dog's going nuts. Trash Rat stopped out. Run it again. Yeah, it's tough. When there's only 2 players, most likely you're going to get stopped out. Why is that? Because you have to break through the resistance wall. Yeah. What's a lineup? Oh, I understand. Okay, bye-bye. Sounds good. We still got Trash Rat and Omnius. I guess Future stopped out. I didn't even notice. One of you guys will get the... I missed my entry. You see what happens? Phone calls. Of course. You sit here all day waiting for an entry, and the phone rings. Isn't it amazing? Phone rings when your entry hits. Well, we would have taken a 5 lot over there, going for 1 for 1. So we hit our 1 for 1 chip qualifies. We would have gotten our 1 to 1. 85 higher risk on this one. 18 points, but 85. We traded down to 68. We got our 18 points. Deal me in. No, deal me in doesn't have a little exclamation mark in the beginning. Deal me in has to be clean. Wood chip. Wood chip, wood chip. Wood chip. It's true. You were saying this is your day. Look at that. Look at that. You qualified. Okay. Way to go, buddy. Wood chip. File. Save. Wood chip trades. What am I doing? Yeah, lots of fun with one micro. I'm just reading your message now. Crazy day. Might change it to wood chip slays. I like wood chip trades. Yeah, some people who hold for longer moves kill it, I guess, on days like today. Okay, I gotta fix this a little bit. In the meantime, we have time. We'll run warm-up games a bit. First, we bring this down. Kind of looks like it should be that big, in my opinion. Let's move you up to there. Make you a little bit bigger so people see it. I didn't see. You know how people are. My chip, nice short here. Boom, boom. Yeah, I don't have a reversal to the long, so I have to agree with you. Do I have an entry? No, I don't have an entry, though. I had an entry at 85, but it hit TP, and it didn't go up to the ad at 94. Ah, now I understand. There we go. Okay, well, Trash Rat, if you're still around, type anything in the chat. We'll get you in the next qualifier. What chip just... It'll be run in 12 minutes, and then at 8:30, we'll run the game for the account. As of now, we have Omnius, who can win because I don't co-stream with him. Double Twisted, Bama, Trash Rat, Butters, and Wood Chip. Wow, a nice variety. One, two, three, four. Yeah, 8:30 is a good time to do it because I got some work to do. So oh, you know what? I didn't check if still the game's not working, huh? The audio, even though I created a new one. How is that even possible? Okay, I'm getting frustrated. Wow, this piece of shit software. Well, we try again. Do I have a short? I mean, a long. Yeah, I could have had a long at 79. Not a great one, though. Wait a minute. No, that's with the trend. Yeah, no, that's a decent long. That's with the trend. It's above VWAP. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm calling them late today, unfortunately. I flipped long. Yeah, I'm calling them late today. So I guess they don't count, but had I been watching, I could have justified a trade there, long at 79. Calling them a little late today, guys. Sorry. Distracted with the game. There was a phone call. Woodchip has to change his name to Woodchip Slay. That's stressing me. Window capture. Let's try it again. Deal me in. Let's see. Dealer draws 97. If you win, I was going to say, if you win, it really is your day. No, audio's not being captured today for some strange reason. Dealer draws 10. Oh my God, what chip? It's not possible. It's really not possible. Okay. It doesn't want to capture audio. So be it. There you go. It is what it is. What it will do, I'll just do an audio capture for the system. Audio output capture. There you go. Choose this one. And move it up into the game. Now I don't have to stress. There we go. You got game sounds. Perfect. Okay, Trash Rat took off. I don't know where he went. Wanted to run one more qualifier, but Sim 1 is down $63. How is it? Did it take a trade? It should have taken a trade at 7 o'clock right there and been holding long since then. Why? Actually, over there. Why is it stopped out? Is that possible? It's not possible. Stop it would have been down there. That's interesting. Is it on? No, it's not enabled. Tabernatch. I know why. Okay. Okay, there we go. We might get a short over here. Let's watch. This time I'll see it in real time. We did sweep this high. Right there. It is the high of the session, so I can designate it a significant level. We did not close above that high. We're at the top of the range. Now let's see if we can get a decent bearish candle. Ooh, that looks like more chips than you'll ever need. Boom. I don't know what chip. I think you should hang it up playing Deal Me In. It's got to be frustrating. Game is rigged, yeah. Okay, we got a bit of a short here. Am I crazy about it? No, I'd rate it a B- trade. But we are at the 50%. That makes it a decent entry. Smaller risk, higher RR, which makes it a good possibility for pulling some cash out of this trade. Trash Rat, you win the warm-up. Trash Rat's gone. Deal me in. Maybe I'll take a one lot in my... Oh no, it's going pretty strong. 14, the volatility's increasing. 64.93. I know. Look, my God, it's almost a free trade. I got to take it. I just shorted it in my Top Step account just for a one lot at 199.75. If we get above that line there, I'll take a 6-point loss. Hopefully the sellers come back in. Most likely not. Actually, now that I have oh shit, I had a $2 profit. I was going to reverse because there is a reversal. And that's going with the trend. Reverse position. Shit, I missed my opportunity. There we go. But now I don't know. I'll still hang on to this. Got a little bit of a wick over there on that candle. Trading at 24,200 right now. VWAP's at 24,134. Previous day's close is at 24,075. We are 125 points above green on previous day's close. This will be another losing trade. Why were we able to take it? We were able to take it because this candle here swept this swing high and didn't close above it. Closed back inside the range. Let's see. We may get a similar setup again on the short. Be a reason to add. I got a headache. No. We don't have an entry yet. Trash Rat, stop that on the warm-up game. Long for 280. I'll be thinking to go short again. We're on opposite sides this time. I still hung on to my short. 280, woo, that's a big... that's a nice target. Future stopped out on the warm-up game. 20 seconds left. 05.87 is a 20-point stop. Not crazy about it. But with the ATR at 13 points. There we go. Oh, no chance. No chance to even. Oh, shit. I didn't even get a chance to cancel. That was a terrible, terrible entry. Terrible, terrible, terrible entry. You can't say the word terrible enough times. What can you do? Let's hope that we come down to here. I'll peel a piece off at 72. We're short at 84. That's 12 points. ATR is 13 right now. Came close, went back up. Let's have a bit of coffee. $186. Hey, you're long where I'm kind of short. Okay, took it out. Take it easy. There's my other short, which should have been at all the way up over there at 84. Instead, it's at 76. That's why I said terrible entry. But regardless, it is where it is. It is what it is. We'll put the buy limit right there at the 1-to-1, which is at 60. We'll see what happens. And we got a lot of room to work on this, so I'll add it about 94 if it goes back up there. Buy one limit. Ah, that's my algo. That's going to interfere. It's true. What's the point of tracking the algo, eh? Might as well disable it if you're going to take if I'm going to take counter trend trades. Also, that's a nice candle for you, wood chip. I like it. I'm off to a good start of the day, plus 260 in Top Step. We got along at 85. I'll try to get in at 80 if I can. 81, 50 bid. Shit. Cancel one. There we go. I got in for 4 by accident. Oh, cool. Cool. That was a free 20 bucks. I got in for 4 by accident and it went. I'm long with you, wood chip. I'm long at 81.50, targeting 92. Probably targeting 90. I'm happy with 90. 88, 89. Can't get up before 90 because really I should be targeting 92. So if I'm getting out at 90, I can't get out at 88, eh? And I'm going to say 88. 86, 88, 89, 90. We're out of the trade. Okay, and I do want to add to this trade over here. Sorry, wood chip. That's fading you again. Sell limit. Fire. Sell limit right there at 94.50. Anybody lurking in the room? Ow. Type in giveaway game. Sorry, exclamation mark giveaway. We got one more qualifier at 8 o'clock. It's 8:07. I need at least 2 players. I only got wood chip right now. So someone type in exclamation mark anything. We'll run one more qualifier, and then at 8:30 is the giveaway for the Taurus Arena account. They have 2 types of accounts. One is with an activation fee. That's the one that you see on the screen behind the background of the giveaway game. They're sponsoring today's giveaway game. $24.50 a month for the 50K. $2,000 trailing drawdown, but you can turn that into end of day drawdown for an add-on of $19. And they also have, with no activation fee, for $77. I think they call it freeze or something like that. Boom. What can I tell you about the challenge is 1 day. There's no consistency on the sim funded. There is a 20% consistency. And basically all the features are the same. It's a $2,000 drawdown. You can turn it into end of day drawdown for a $19 add-on. What else do I got? The platforms, Volsys, Volumetrica, Quantower is supported. I think you can have 3 accounts, unlimited challenges. They call them TPAs. News trading is allowed. DCAing, yes. Hedging, of course not. And no overnight trading, of course, like everybody else. Inactivity rule, 1 trade per week, but they said they don't really enforce that. DCAing, yes. And minimum duration, sometimes that gets to me, but no, this one is only 5 seconds. It's not 15 seconds like MFFU. 5 seconds, I think, is not something that's a bother. Okay, 20 minutes. We'll run the game and see who gets the account. That's the first account being given away. So I guess I got my ad there at 94. Let's see, where's a good place to get out? Right under that swing, right there for the ad. So 94 to 77, it's almost 20 points. The stop is about 10 points. Maybe 94, more than 10 points. 94 to about 06, the swing high over here. It's still on the ad. It's still a 2 to 1. It's at the 300 over there. We'll keep those levels in mind. My dog's losing her shit. Well, this loss will be large-ish. If I'm stopped out, but I did get a shitty entry. But that's part of trading, eh? Slippage, that's part of trading. Oh, wow, that was a nice little boost there what Chip got. Whoa, look at that. Oh, we're coming back. I can't really qualify this as a short. We didn't take anything out. If we had taken out, again, the evening session highs and closed within the range, I could have justified a short. But doesn't matter. We're coming down to my 20-point take profit on my ad. We're only 5 points away. Yeah, it is. 52.6, I think. If you're talking with Apex, I think you're allowed taking 500 at 52.6. So I can still take a pad. I'm at 52.8 after losing 600 today, but I don't know. I want to get them to 55, 56,000. I was good. I closed it down, even though I don't have a PDLL in there. I closed it after minus. Well, they still got. Oh, there we go. There's your 20 points on the ad, but the accounting is first in, first out. FIFO. So that's why you are seeing the 94.50 now as the short. This trade is working out nice. I like these trades. Can you believe it? I'm kind of trading my own version of ICT. I call it my CT. I'm looking at dealing ranges. I'm looking at taking out significant highs and lows. I even got my CD, my change of delivery, which we had when we took this trade. Yeah, I hate that I took a $600. I mean, I'm happy I took an $800 or $900 gain. Well, let's say 860. Let's go in between on another PA account in Apex, and I stopped because of the consistency rule. I didn't want it to cause me trouble. So, green on the day, like I said. I mean, I covered that already. But still, now that $600 is going to be in the back of my mind. So tomorrow I got to trade it more conservatively. Try for $200 a day, make it back up in 2-3 days, and then get back on track again. Start trading 5 lots, 6 lots again. So am I up, down on the day on this account so far? At least on realized? Realized up 119. That's it. Okay, well, had I been watching, I can call this my IH. A little internal high. If we can take that out, close back again inside the range. No, I wouldn't take it anyways. That candle's too large. Sorry, forget it. I take it back. I take it back. I was thinking out loud. Took another trade in Top Step. I'm up 293 on that account. That's not bad for the evening. I'm happy with that. I think it was down 260. What's my PDLL in Top Step? I think it was 266, but my PDLL is, minus 260. So it stopped me out within $6. Now I'm up 293, so I got it back in one day. Incoming voice call. Yeah. Hey, bud. One more qualifier. If I can get one more person, it'll be you against Woodchip. And then we will run the game at 8:30. You got 13 minutes. Giveaways at 8:30. Not even paying attention to whether or not I got stopped out. I think I got stopped out, eh? That was the high of the day. Yes, I did. See what happens again. Caught daydreaming, but put in my stop. Oh, look at that. A beautiful orange hanging order. I don't know why that's been happening lately. There we go. We're stopped out. So weird. I think I have to refresh my Ninja Trader's not working as reliably as it used to. Not I. I don't know what that means. Not me either. So I'm down 31 now. Trade in my CT. My version of ICT. It's a lot more active than standard ICT. I didn't get stopped out yet. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, I might enter again. Once again, we swept the high, but didn't close above the high. We closed below it. Let's see what happens. Nightbot, dealer draws, Nightbot draws 1. We're not going to close below. Oh, we might. How much time? Oh, 25 seconds. We got a lot of time. I got even time to play deal me in. We're going back up. Let me get ready with my 5 lot. Futures floor draws 4 against the dealer drawing 12. The dealer is greedy today. It's like when you go play blackjack, there's nothing to do. The dealer just keeps winning. You get 20, the dealer gets 20 or 21. You get 21, the dealer gets 21. That's how life works out. See, that's why I say we live in a simulation. Okay, we got to be, what? Didn't I say? Oh, yeah, that was the previous candle, 20 seconds. $10 minutes. Deal me in. 29. There's a good probability you win. 11. There's a good probability you lose. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm guessing we're closing below. I entered early. Let's mark it out for the 50% retrace. If we can get it. I love the 50% retrace. It's a much better trade. That one is worth entering at double size. We'll make it up to a 10 lot. We're at the 200. There's your 1-to-1 already. Look at that. How quick was that? My CT, baby. Let's go get under below. I want to get it. I want to get my 1-to-1. There, we're done. There is no more add-on trade. We cancel that. That was a fun little trade right there, huh? Just saying, if you're a better trader than me, you would let it run. We could run down maybe to even taking out a few of these internal lows over here. If you were a better trader than me, I go for 1-to-1. You know what? How about we take a 1 lot and we go for some of those internal lows? There we go. I got a 1 lot. Now we're going to target some internal lows. Yeah, I just took a 1 lot for the longer. See, that's why I don't like holding for longer moves, because there's too many of this shit. The 1-to-1 is good. I took, there we go. I'm stopped out. Goodbye. There we go. Finish. That was my 1 lot, but I'm still up 49 now for the night on that. Trading my CT. Actually, I don't even have to call it my CT. It's ICT. These are my buy models and my sell models. Everyone has their own versions. These are my versions. I got triggered in on my sell model, and I hit a 1-to-1 in 1 minute. It was a beautiful trade. Didn't get slippage. You guys seen all my trades? They were all up on the chart, right? I think so. Yep, on the 1 minute. 8:23, 7 minutes. I'm eager to do the giveaway because after the giveaway, I get to call it quits. Won't take a short here, even though we took out a couple of swing highs. This is not a proper setup. Don't get excited. So what do we got for qualifiers again? I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We're not even going to run any no market makers. I won't be in it. We'll get a winner. And we're going to do it at a slow speed like this, so it takes forever. Boom, boom, boom. Trash Rat. Trash Rat is winning all these warm-ups. Trash Rat and Wood Chip. You guys are lucky today. Keep the balls flying. Too slow. Too slow. Nope. No entry here either. There were a couple of entries on the top step charts that I missed. Oof, there were a shit ton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And of the 13, there were only 2 losers. Crazy. 11 winners, 2 losers. Well, it's a 73% accurate system, but tonight, it's performing better. Straight to the heavens. Are the heavens above us or below us? Yeah, no, they're above us. What's below us? Oh, Wood Chip, I got bad news for you. What's below us? I might have a short here. I might, but I might not. We'll see. Let the candles play out. Nope, no short. No potential short. It's done. We gotta wait. Not paying attention, though. I did have a long, like you did. Like you're talking at 216. Didn't see it. I should be taking all of them, the ones that go with the trend. But that's a wide stop, 216. It's all the way down to 91. I missed it. I didn't even see it, to be honest with you. But, yeah, that was a trade targeting 241. What are you targeting? 280. I'm doing too many things. I'm running the game. I got caught sleeping on that one. Always got to make sure to take at least a 3 lot so I can peel some off. Okay, this is a good speed for the game. I'm good, you? Running out of time, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to qualify for tonight's giveaway, type in ! Giveaway. Oh, yeah, now why? We ran out. We had 10. What? Yeah, next time 20. Okay, that's it. Enter in the names. And we're going to enter them in the order that they qualified. First giveaway, sponsored by Taurus Arena. We covered their accounts. They have a no activation account for $77 of 50K. That's a great deal compared to Take Profit Trader. You have an option for end of day drawdown, which is fantastic. Okay, Omnius. Save and apply. Add player. Omnius. Boy, wouldn't it be fun if he wins, eh? Twisted. Twisted has 2 entries. I think Skeletor has 3 entries for tomorrow's game. Tomorrow's giveaway. Let me see. Skeletor, yeah, he really did well. Smooth Operator 1. Twin Trades 1. Adnan 1. Skeletor. And John showed up. I don't know, John was a new guy. Yeah, John showed up and he got an entry. Okay, well, we'll see that tomorrow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people in tomorrow's. Omnius, Twisted, Ad Player, Bama. After Bama is Trash Rat, who didn't hang around, but that's okay. I don't think he has a computer yet. And then after Bama and Trash Rat was Butters. After Butters, I think, was Woodchip, and that's it. Save and apply. I'm going to give you guys lots of space to play. Peg spacing. 220. I like it like that. Save and apply. Okay. Is that everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the player list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's too bad Omnius didn't show up. He could have qualified again. Okay, it's 8:30. We're late. Let's get this 7 players loaded. What speed we want to run it at? Speed, a little slow. I want to have fun with it. 0.02. There will be a winner. Unless you all stop out, then we run it again. 0.02. Only one here to witness is Woodchip. Let's get those pegs a little brighter. Let's make them white. Make them just a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, we're going to burst. Oh, maybe we have a lurker. I give you one last chance to type in ! giveaway. You got 1 minute. Meantime, I'll take a quick look at my charts. Well, it's a weak entry. Oh, wow. So we hit did we hit the take profit on that? No, we didn't. Coach Fred, how did you know? Coach Fred, number one. Number one. Coach Fred, you want to play in a qualifier before we play the game? We got one more. I can't just throw you into the final for the giveaway because that would be unfair, but I can give you a match against Woodchip. And then one of you will get an entry into the final game that we'll play in like just a few minutes. Give me an ! anything. Give me an ! Coach Fred. Actually, I was telling people to type in, I am in the bed with Tory Trades Lines. I'm a bit busy right now. Okay, well, that sounds more fun than a stupid giveaway game. Yeah, it's not really a short. I can't call that a short. It's cheating if I call it a short. Then so be it. Let's expand the game to full screen. Give it a bit of a stretch. Don't even need to see me. There we go. Give it a bit of a stretch down below. Lock it in place. Oh, shit. You snuck something in. I was just about to click play for the giveaway. And that's actually for the account. Okay, we'll play. I assume that's will play. Let's do a... Well, we need you to break through the walls. So we'll enter in the... Okay, so wood chip may have a chance of getting another entry. Wood chip, add player, CF number 1. Nah, I don't like that. Let's just call you Coach, like in Cheers. Coach, add a player. You need someone to run a little interference, but one of you guys will win an entry into the game. Wood chip. Oh, no, wood chip. Market maker. Market maker 1. Save and apply. 4. And I don't want this to take too long. So let's get it. The ball's moving a little faster. We do need a winner. Fire. And then we play the game. We give away the account and we call it quits. Future. So we don't have anything really blocking the stop out pit. That's bad for wood chop. Wood chop. I made a mistake. Wood chop's playing. Okay, Coach Fred, you're on your own. And almost got stopped out. And almost got stopped out. I think we're going to need a few more market makers. Why are we going to need a few more market makers to help break through the resistance wall? Okay, you're going to get... I thought you were going to go bounce around in the corner. You're all on your own. You're all on your own. We'll let it play out. Lucky JC, what's with all the weird names lately? What's going on? Hello, Lucky JC. Coach will knock out a peg. Nope, still not. Still wait. Okay, in the meantime, once again. Ouch, everyone stopped out. Run it again. Let's get a faster speed. Tonight's giveaway is brought to you, sponsored by Taurus Arena. You can go check them out on taurusarena.com. As I said before, they have a no activation fee account for $77. It's a great deal. $2,000. You can make it with drawdown. You can turn it into a end of day drawdown for a $19 add-on. Pretty much standard rules, 20% consistency rule, 5-day inactivity rule, 5-second minimum duration for your trades. That's not a problem. You can have as many as 3 sim-funded accounts. Market maker 1 stopped out. We got him moving a little faster. Wood chop and Coach. Coach almost gets stopped out. Hits the bottom there. None of this move happened at 12-hour forward news event right at 8:30. That sounds very confusing. And too bad I didn't get a short entry, a valid short entry there. I said I could kind of take one, but it would have been cheating. Who got stopped out? Coach. Okay, wood chip, you might win a second entry because Coach showed up. You're on your own there. You're on your own, wood chop. Oh, you're going in. Wood chip gets a second entry. Okay, that's it. Control, copy. Add them to the finalist list. And let's update the players. Final, save. Let's enter them in. As I said before, wood chip, wood chop, wood chop. It's really going good for you today, eh? Wood chop. Yeah, you can check them out at taurusarena.com. And believe it or not, we also, me and Omnius, did a deep dive on Apex Trader funding today. You can get a different perspective, my perspective. If you watch that live stream, we did it at 1 o'clock today. Maybe it's an eye-opener. You say, aha, I didn't know that. Or didn't think of that. Okay, let's get the names in. I like that speed. What speed did we run it at? That was a little too fast. We'll bring it down to 0.3 for the winning game. But I like the ball settings. I like everything. Okay, let's get the names in. Woodchop, we're going to keep your name as Woodchop. Because it worked well for you there. Oh, no, it's true. We have to enter him in the order. We don't have to, but we will. Omnius, he doesn't co-stream with me at night, so he can win. And after Omnius, I think we have Twisted. Let's check it out. Omnius, Twisted. And Twisted. And Bama won once. Bama's not here, eh? I'm rolling in the dough using his Kleenex. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 8. I think we have 8 players. Omnius, Twisted, Twisted, Bama. Omnius, Twisted, Twisted, Bama. Trash Rat and Butters. Where did Trash Rat go? Trash Rat. Butters. And the final 2. Woodchop and Woodchop. I'm going to throw myself in there for fun, but I can't win, of course. If I win, we run it again. 1 micro Rolex. Woodchip. You wanted a burst? Everyone shoots out at the same time, or fire? One at a time. Random order. Save and apply. 9 players. You get to pick. Say burst or fire. Fire is 1 at a time. Burst is everyone at the same time. Burst. Burst it is. Are we full screen? Yes, we are. Can we see the entry pits? Yes, we can. There we go. Everybody out at the same time. This is for tonight's giveaway. 50K eval with Taurus Arena. Butters almost stopped out. Bumps into the bottom. We already got a hole in the resistance wall. Wall of resistance. Woodchop almost made it. Woodchop almost made it through. But he got stopped out. Butters makes it through the hole. He's all alone there for now. And he's looking good to float in. We have no balls, no pegs on that side, on the right side. So you get the float in, but not, he's making his way back. Omnius is making a run for it now also. That would be interesting. Omnius and Butters on the right side. Butters is looking better than Omnius because he has no pegs to interfere with, but Omnius gets a nice deflection, almost makes it in. Butters goes right over the pit. Omnius and Butters Twisted starts to join him on the right side. He looks like he might float, but he's going to get bumped by a peg. Bama comes in, makes an appearance on the right side of the board. Omnius passes right over the winner's pit like it's not even there. I guess he wasn't looking, so does Bama. Does the same thing. Bama and Omnius. Omnius is... Oh, I thought he was going to bounce off the wall. Omnius wins. Okay, we notify Omnius. That's going to be an easy one. You don't have to... I don't have to give him the information on how to contact me through Discord like I would have. Well, who would I have to do that with? I think just Trash Rat. Maybe Trash Rat. Yeah, just Trash Rat. I think I would have had to do that. I'm not sure if he's part of the Discord. Okay, well, it almost seems like it's fixed, but hey, you can't fix this. It's pegs. It's a peg game. We got deflections. We got physics working. Deal me in. 31. You're going to win. I told you. And call it quits. Wow, that was a nice trade right there. Along at 15. See, I got got distracted. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'll notify Omnius that he won the account. What a bummer, though, eh? Should have been someone else. But it is what it is. He can play in the evenings. I got to see you go next stream. No problem, Woodchip. Take care. I'm off also. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Yeah, that's what it seems like, huh? I would think the same thing. Bye, guys.